So to install a virtual machine, we need storage. Here, as you can see, we can define our storage here. We can create a new VMFS data store, add and extend to existing VMFS data store. If you want actually to increase the size of existing data store, you can choose this option, or you can expand an existing VMFS data store here. Most cases, we will use this option when you have a storage that connected to your ESXi, something like Dell EMC or NetApp. In your storage, you will expand the LAN, which is where you can add the volume or expand it, and here just use this option to tell the ESXi now, for example, our existing storage, which is something like 1 terabyte, and it's added another terabyte, that you can actually add second a terabyte free space to your existing terabyte storage. This is the example. And this is Mount NFS data store. So we'll use the first one, and when we say next, as you can see, we don't have the free space here. Why? Because we only have here in ESXi only have the storage that we can actually install our ESXi here. That means this storage will hidden from the data store. So in your ESXi, we'll say setting, and we'll add the hard disk. So let's say something like 100 gigabyte. We can say allocate the disk space, or the default one is much better. As soon as you have the data, you can actually use your virtual disk. That means if you say allocate, you should actually have exactly 100 gigabyte for allocating this disk space to your VMware. So we'll use the default one, and we'll say next and finish. And here OK. And again, we'll do a refresh here to show you that we actually need to reboot the ESXi. Even though when you actually add the storage, you cannot find it here, you should restart your ESXi here. So we'll say restart guest, and here again on your lab, you should enable another hard disk here. Let's say, for example, 50 gigabyte only for installing a virtual machine. So here, let's say this is going to be ESXi 01, and this is going to be ESXi 02. We'll go to option and ESXi 02. That's great. So again, we should restart this case actually to apply the data store new configuration. So we'll wait for the ESXi here, and here we'll do a refresh, and again we'll log in back again, and we'll say new data store. We'll use the first option, and now we have the 100 gigabyte, which is going to be data store 1 or something like this. You can use whatever name that you would like, and here is the free, and after is going to be VMFS, which is VMware File System, and next and finish, and we'll say yes. Actually tells you the content is going to be erased. We'll say yes, and now we have data store 1. So next lesson, I'm going to upload the ISO file to install a virtual machine.